Welcome to the shrine of Padre Pio in Rome, where the miraculous incorrupt body of this beloved saint lies. On September 23rd, we celebrate the feast day of Padre Pio, a man of extraordinary faith and holiness. Born Francesco Forgione in 1887, Padre Pio dedicated his life to serving God. His devotion to prayer, charity, and healing earned him countless followers worldwide. Padre Pio passed away in 1968, but his body remains miraculously preserved. This phenomenon has fascinated millions, solidifying his sainthood. Countless devotees attribute miracles to Padre Pio's intercession. Their stories inspire hope and deepen our faith. Here's a remarkable story of healing through Padre Pio's intercession. The healing of Vera Calandra. Vera Calandra, an Italian woman, suffered from severe stomach cancer. Doctors gave her only a short time to live. Desperate for a miracle, Vera's family sought Padre Pio's intercession. Padre Pio instructed Vera to pray to Saint Francis and to have faith in God's healing power. Vera followed his advice, praying fervently and making a pilgrimage to Padre Pio's monastery. During her visit, Vera touched Padre Pio's glove to her stomach, and suddenly, she felt an intense heat emanating from the glove. Her pain disappeared, and she was healed. As we venerate Padre Pio's incorrupt body, let us remember his extraordinary power of intercession. One remarkable example is the healing of Vera Calandra. Vera, afflicted with stomach cancer, was given little hope by doctors. But through Padre Pio's intercession and her unwavering faith, she was miraculously healed. As we honor Padre Pio's feast day, let us reflect on his extraordinary life and legacy. May his example guide us toward greater devotion and faith.